Hi, here's a little thing you can try. Try and play the blues, play the chord and then play a little lick. But the idea with this is you want to try different dynamics. So you might say, okay, I'm going to go for an aggressive thing. Quiet. Louder. Quiet. It's a really good thing to try. It's really cool that. You know, call out a little thing, loud, soft, sliding. You know, you can do different techniques too. So you might go slide. Hammer on. So try that in your blues. It's quite effective that, you know, for getting different emotions. See you later.